everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover the basics of asset structure.
If you would like to review the asset development process, feel free to follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. If you are developing your own software assets, it pays to have a good understanding of how they are structured. Assets generally consist of an assets.properties file at the top. It's very important that stay at the top if you make any changes. Below that, you'll find a help document to point users in the right direction should they encounter trouble, a license file. These are very important when it comes to test assets. Below that, you will find a folder containing the assets installation scripts. Once you would like to import your asset, you will need to compress it into a zip file.
If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our help site, our support page, and to our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.